Shaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Risemark Education Services. I'm Jamshed Khan. From today, we have again brought to you general knowledge. Very interesting topic. The topic is Sindh Public Service Commissioner SPSC Model Paper Solve MCQS. बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट नॉलेज है CSS, ISSB और जितने भी प्रोफेशनल एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करने वाले बच्चे हैं, ये बेसिक जो MCQs हैं वो हम लेकर आए हैं। शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, CT scans stand for which of the following? Option A, computed tomography. Number B, computer topography. Number C, computed topography. Number D, computer tomography. So the correct answer is A, computed tomography. C stand for computed and T stand for tomography. Question number 2. Kofi Annan, a former Secretary General of UNO, U stand United, N stand for nation and O for organization, belong to number A, Tanzania, number B, Kenya, number C, Ghana, number D, South Africa. So the correct answer is C, Ghana. Blackpool is dash. Actually, Blackpool is a name of mountain, name of town, it is airport, it is country. Actually, Blackpool is a town. Very famous book. The book Wealth of Nation was written by John Marshall, Max Muller, Adam Smith, Karl Marx. So the correct answer is C, Adam Smith. Shortest day in Australia will be on number A, 25th December, number B, 22 December, number C, 15 June, number D, 21st June. So the correct answer is D, 21st June. Guava is a rich source of number A, vitamin C, number B, vitamin D, number C, vitamin A, number D, calcium. So the correct answer is A, vitamin C. The length of Sechin Glacier is dash mile. Sechin Glacier length actually how many miles? Number A, 56 miles, number B, 47 miles, number C, 49 miles, number E or number D actually 72 miles. So the correct answer is C, 49 miles. The length of the Sechin Glacier is 49 miles. It is the second largest glacier in the world. The average weight of human heart is 250 gram, 300 gram, 350 gram, 400 gram. So the correct answer is B, 300 gram. Number 9. Facebook is one of the most popular social networking services. When was it launched? Number A, 1998, number B, 2000, number C, 2003, and number D, 2008. So the correct answer is C, 2003. How many administrative divisions are there in Punjab? Number A, 8, number B, 6, number C, 3, number D, 9. So the correct answer is D, 9. So 9 administrative divisions are there in Punjab. So thanks for watching. Furthermore, please subscribe and share our channel. See you tomorrow for a new day and with a new general knowledge. See you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.